We are industry. We are team. We are family. Proudly Colombians, we have been expanding our brand to different corners of the United States of America, and now we want to reach you. Our experience, dedication, and passion makes us expert producers in the plastic industry. We are inspired by details. We are encouraged by perfectionism. We love to be a solution. With a solid team, a state-of-the-art technology, 40 years of continuous improvement, and a focus on solving the needs of our customers. Today, we proudly raise our hands to toast for all those who have trusted our quality. Our commitment will continue, and now, with 80% of our plastic recycled, we have less impact on the environment, because this is what the world needs to hear. Industrias OSBE, experts in cleaning products.